Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 6 things about operators in Ruby. Number 1, Ruby supports arithmetic operators such as plus, minus, star, /, percent, and double star. For example, on line 8, I'm using the percent operator to perform a modulus between A and B. On line 9, I'm using the double star operator to do A exponent B, which is A to the power of B. Number 2, you can also use the comparison operators such as equal to, not equal to, and greater than equal to. In this example, on line 14, I'm checking whether the variable a is equal to b, and if it is, print true, else print false. Note the question mark colon is also known as the ternary operator, and it follows the syntax of if condition is true, question mark, do x, colon, else do y. Number 3, you can also use the assignment operators such as equal to, plus equal to, and minus equal to. In this example, on line 21, I'm doing C plus equal to B, which is equivalent to doing C equal to C plus B. Number 4, Ruby also supports parallel assignment, which means assigning multiple variables on a single line. On line 27, I'm assigning the values of 10 and 20 to A and B on one line. On line 29, I'm swapping the values of A and B on a single line. Number 5, you can also make use of ... and ... range operators in Ruby. On line 33, I'm using the ... operator to print the range from 1 to 5. Note when you use 3 dots, the end value is exclusive, so line 34 won't print 5. Last but not the least, number 6. Use the define question mark operator to check whether a variable is defined or not. Line 38 will print nil or empty because the variable x is undefined. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.